skincare lovers, welcome to our new series, Turn Traffic into Sales, Golden Strategies for Skincare Stores. In this series, we'll dive into proven actionable strategies to transform your website traffic into real sales. If you want to skyrocket your sales in 2025, stay with us. Let's get started. Personalizing shopping experience is the surefire way to turn traffic into sales. According to McKinsey, 71% of customers expect a personalized experience, but many stores overlook this. Design simple quizzes. Create a quiz to assess customer needs, like their skin type. Use a tool like FaceAge for this. Suggest relevant products. Based on quiz results, recommend products that perfectly match their needs. Offer personalized discounts. Give a special discount on quiz-based recommendations to encourage purchases. That's it for this episode. If you found this strategy helpful, make sure to share, like, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, how do you turn your website traffic into sales?